It's Joe Andrews for Joe's Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a tomato chammanthi. It's a very unique thing for Kerala. I am using here the bird-eye chillies, tomatoes, but not the big ones, his secret tomatoes, and some shallots, and the most important ingredient, coconut oil. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joe's Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 2 guests. Onto a pestle and mortar, add 12 pieces of bird-eye chilies Kanthari and 5 pieces of sliced shallots, salt to taste, and smash it. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can use a blender, but just pulse it. Add the grape tomatoes, 10 pieces, and crush it, smash it. Like this. It should be infused with the shallots, the Kanthari, and the salt. As soon as it's crushed, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, the most flavorful ingredient in this chammanthi, Kanthari and coconut oil. Combine well and the beautiful chutney is ready to serve. The fragrance are so good, so punchy. The Kanthari and coconut oil, it's really enhancing. I'm not tasting too much because it will be a wow. Really hot, but it's so tempting to eat more and more. It's very good with tapioca or boiled breadfruit. It will be a beautiful combination. So try it and let me know and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.